We are right in the peak of allergy season. Medium to high. We might get a little break today with some of that cooler weather and some calmer winds, but then we're back to high. We're talking about a big warming trend once we head towards tomorrow and Thursday. Doesn't seem like it now, right? Because we have a frost advisory in effect. This is mainly to give farmers a heads up. You might see some frost on some of your crops this morning over in Indiana, and the community is highlighted in blue this morning, where they're seeing some calm winds and some cooler temperatures in the low to mid 30s from Bedford over to Madison. Even down in Campbellsville, seeing some cooler conditions, but in the middle, we are in the mid to upper 30s, low 40s, just cooling off to 42 here at the Ollie International Airport. But one thing we will all get to are the 70s today. It is definitely going to be a warm trend. So our moon is in the waning crescent phase, so it means it's only about 4% visible, lighting up our sky barely. We have some dark conditions out there, not from clouds, just from the low moon visibility. So we have some blue skies in that forecast. Temperatures will be breaking into the mid 50s by lunchtime, and then upper 60s, low 70s, a high of 71 degrees. So if you want to go for a walk along waterfront, it is going to be a really nice setup. High of 71 here in Louisville, nice and seasonable. This is kind of the average temperature where we should be this time of year. But however, tomorrow, let's add about 10 degrees more. A high of 82 possible for tomorrow afternoon. It is going to be a warming trend. We have that wind starting to switch from the south, which will bring some of that warmer weather. So all of this brown color, that is very dry weather. And let's go ahead and talk about that wind real quick. So it is going to switch from the south. Huge warming trend once we head towards Wednesday and Thursday. However, if we get that wind to pick up, we could see a heightened fire risk with how dry it is out there and the warmer conditions. That will start to go away once we head towards Friday. And then our weather is really going to start to change with some rain. We are tracking an approaching cold front that will head our way Friday morning right around 8, 9 o'clock. But notice how it kind of slows down. It stalls out over us. So we can see continuous rainfall overnight Friday night through Saturday morning. That last batch of rain will cross the state of Kentucky at 7 o'clock on Saturday morning. Now notice the timing. It's expected to clear out by the afternoon for thunder over Louisville. But we're still a few days away. The models can slow down still. So just know we could see that rain clear out by the afternoon. That's what it's trending right now. It will be in the 50s for that time and very breezy. So it might feel like the 40s and 50s if you are heading out to thunder over Louisville. Temperatures will be cooling behind that system. Then we'll be back to the 60s on Monday. So for today, low 70s, but much warmer once we head towards Thursday. Yikes, that's a high of 84 degrees. That is just warm out there for Thursday. I'll have the updates as we get closer to thunder over Louisville for that kind of exact forecast on what we can expect. Really hoping it will clear out in time.